Namaste students, myself JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I am at first semester. We will discuss the topic the curriculum framework. A curriculum framework is a summary of the educational issue facing curriculum development committees. Discussion of how state goals and standards related to those issues. Structure to help district curriculum development committee address to students standards and guide for planning professional developments and guide to recommended instructional and assessment strategies. Next, description of effective instructions and assessment strategies with an analysis of how they address the standards. Collection of reference materials to assist curriculum development committee and other educators, and tools to communicate the goals of the standards to the community. Nature of the curriculum framework. The curriculum framework serves to display meaningful curriculum experiences and activities as well as identified constraints. It is extremely important to clarify exactly what will be provided in the curriculum and the reasons why. Spelling out of the contents and constraints associated with a curriculum enables everyone to see just what limitations are imposed on the contents. An additional benefit has to do with accountability. Objectives of curriculum frameworks. Although there are widespread agreements about the importance of transferring knowledge into action, we still lack high quality informations about what works, in which settings and with whom. While there are a large number of models and theories for knowledge transfer interventions, the majority are untested. Methods of curriculum framework. A narrative review of knowledge transfer literature identifies 28 different models which explained all are part of the knowledge transfer process. The models were subjected to a thematic analysis to identify individuals' components and the types of processes used when transferring knowledge into action. Okay, results of curriculum frameworks. 5 common components of the knowledge transfer process were identified. Firstly, problem identification and communication. Second, knowledge research, development and selection. Next, analysis of context. Next, knowledge transfer activity or interventions. And fifth, knowledge or research utilization. We also identified 3 types of knowledge transfer processes. Firstly, a linear processes. Second, a cyclical process, and third, a dynamic multi-directional processes. Conclusions of curriculum framework. Our framework provides a foundation for gathering evidence from case studies of knowledge transfer interventions. We purpose that future empirical work is designed to test and refine the relevance, importance and applicability of each of the components in order to build a more useful model of knowledge transfer, which can serve as a practical checklist for planning or evaluating knowledge transfer activities. Okay, thank you.